What's up mga kaniks? Another day, another vlog, and we're here at Foam Coffee. So we're at the Alfresco area together with Nikki. So si Nikki natutulog sa ilalim. Pet friendly tong place na to pero hindi pwedeng dogs sa loob. So dito lang sa Alfresco. So para pumunta dito is tatawid lang ng Rizal Park. And then ito yung street name. Hindi ko alam kung kita, G. Bautista Drive. So, yung view mo is likod ng City Hall. Yan. And then, ito yung entrance. So, yan. Foam Coffee. So, madami naman silang selection ng pastries. Meron tayong croissant. And pansin ko, I think common theme yung dark chocolate truffle. So, marami ring donuts. And then, mamaya titikman ko rin yung donut. Hindi lang ako lately mahilig sa mga pastries or anything that has sugar. So, they also have burnt bass cheesecake. Hindi lang ako nagka-crave lately because I've been on compounded tersapatide. So, I'll create a video on that one as well. So, ito yung in-order namin. Isang strawberry foam latte worth 195 each. And then, isang dark chocolate truffle donut which is worth 70 pesos. Zel will try yung ating dark chocolate truffle donut. Masarap ba?
Yeah, ang sarap. Tama lang yung lasa.
Matamis.
It's not so sweet.
Yan, sige.
It's good.
So, ako naman nga na magta-try ng strawberry foam latte. So, lasang-lasa yung strawberry. Pero hindi ko masabi kung totoong strawberry ba to. Para siyang strawberry syrup kung totoosin. But looking at yung nasa baba, meron naman siyang strawberry bits. So, ayun. And then, creamy siya. I was wondering kung ano yung nandito, but it seems like gatas na may Nestle cream. So, ayun. Okay naman siya. Nag-expect lang ako ng todo, but it's all good. Si Nikki, gising na. Hello, Nikki. Hi, Nikki. What's up mga kaniks? Another day, another vlog, and we are here at Massage Lux Spa, Baguio City. So today we're going to try their Seitai signature massage. Involves onsen. So yung onsen is merong sauna and then jacuzzi and then of course massage. So tara, samahan niyo ako as we explore Massage Lux Spa Baguio. So madali lang naman mahanap si Massage Lux Spa Baguio. Actually, ito lang yung Burnham and then punta lang kayo sa likod. So, yan si Shakey's. And then, tignan nyo yung Shannon Street. Tapos, akyat kayo dito. Yan, akyat lang. And then, ito na siya. Itong building na to. So, you've got Massage Lux Spa. Yan, Baguio City. So, pwede kayong tumambay dito. And then, merong pa-arcade plus darts. Plus, you can also have complimentary ginger tea. Try natin to. So, try natin tong kanilang ginger tea. And thank you pala sa De Alba for my glass skin. Ganda ng effect. I will post yung product sa description link below. Sobrang sarap. Tamis. Relaxing. This is a great ginger tea. So, ito yung onsen nila. Then, sakto walang tao, so pwede mag-video. And then, ito yung kanilang sauna. So, mamaya ay pupunta tayo dito. Or steam bath ba to? I believe this is their steam bath. And then, ito yung dry sauna. Yan, ganda. So, tingnan natin kung may tao mamaya para makapag-sauna pa tayo. Then pala sila ng locker. So, safe yung mga gamit nyo. And this is yung lock na binibigay nila. So, naka-bracelet siya. Para kahit mag-onsen ka is nasa sayo pa rin yung susi. Ayan mga kanik. So, tapos na po tayo mag-massage and onsen. So, overall 2 hours yung massage. And then, additional 2 hours dun sa onsen. And every Friday, meron silang pa-freebies. So, ito yung puto bongbong. So, sabi nila, nagbabago naman daw siya. So, kung gusto nyo magkaroon ng freebies, punta kayo dito tuwing Friday. And of course, ang ating favorite na ginger tea. So, tara, samahan nyo ako as we try yung kanilang puto bongbong. Yung freebie nila. And then, ito yung ginger tea. Yan. So, madaming keso. In fairness, sa sobrang malaman, malagkit. Sobrang lagkit, di ko na matanggal. Yun, napakasarap. Iwanan ko muna kayo dahil natatakam ako dito. Hello mga kanik! So we are here at Amarela Cucina. So meron silang wood fire oven brick dito. Papakita ko. So ito yung kanilang wood oven. So it's just powered by wood. And then ito yung kanilang pizza station. And then pet friendly pala to guys, pero sa labas lang. Yan na si Nikki. Para makapunta dito sa Amarela Cucina is dito lang sa taas ng Victory Liner. May bridge. And then, yan. So, lakarin nyo lang. And then, nandito na po tayo sa Amarela Cucina along Microtel, Baguio. Then, ito yung entrance. Hello, Nikki! Ito yung outdoor seating area na pwede yung mga pets. And so, madami silang salad dressings. Nan natin. Salad dressing, screenshot nyo na lang. Honey, chili olive oil, truffle honey, amare coffee, amare sardines, amare barbecue, and amare cups. Kung ano man yun. Tapos, ito yung kanilang interior. So, bawal yung pet sa loob. Tingnan lang natin. Yan. So, pwede kayong upo dito. And then, maganda yung view somewhere around here. Yan. So, kitang-kita yung bundok. And then, meron din silang mga ice cream. So, interesting because meron silang mga premium like mango yogurt, almond brownies. Actually, madami silang premium. Ube cordillera, kiwi yogurt, choco mallows. Parang gusto ko tuloy yung kiwi yogurt. Since Masarap naman ng kiwi. And then, meron din silang vanilla, blueberry yogurt premium, pistachio, speculoos cookie butter, cookie monster, banana yogurt, biscotti, mint. So, madami pang iba. Pagod na ako. And then, ito pala yung prices nila. So, for premium flavor, screenshot nyo na lang. And then, yung regular. Not bad. Hindi naman sobrang mahal yung regular flavor if it's single 95 per scoop. So, ito, freshly made pizza. Lang tignan, no? Christmas na Christmas yung feeling. Ayan na. Lalagay na yung pizza. Kuha namin is yung kanilang standard Christmas package which is 1,850. Yung pizza is pwede kayong mamili, Hawaiian or pepperoni. So kinuha namin pepperoni, may kasamang fried chicken. Ito, ilang pieces yan? Madami din 1, 2, 3, 4 and then chips or potatoes and then truffle pasta. Yan. And then, meron ka pang 1 pitcher iced tea. So, tara, samahan nyo kami as we enjoy this Christmas package. Try muna natin yung chicken. Pwede kay Nikki tong chicken. Si Mama, binibigyan niya si Nikki ng chicken. So, pati si Nikki nakiki-Christmas package. Masarap ba? Very crispy yung chicken. So, masarap siya. Hindi overpowering yung seasoning. I would definitely come back here. Chicken pa lang yung natitikman ko, guys. Wala pa yung pizza and truffle pasta. What? Then, try naman natin yung kanilang truffle pasta. So, I'm very excited dito sa kanilang truffle pasta. Ang bango. Amoy truffle talaga. Authentic truffle. then, perfect yung seasoning. Hindi siya rin overpower. Hindi rin siya overpowering. Last but not the least is yung kanilang pizza. So, mag-alcohol muna tayo. Okay lang yung pizza nila. Although, I've tried better pizza. Pero it's all good. Hindi naman super kapal nung crust. So, ibang-iba talaga yung luto ng wood fire oven brick pizza. So, mas malasa siya. Ayan, so, samahan nyo kami as we eat the rest of this food. Let's go! Ayan mga kaniks, so madami pang natira. Ito ang Christmas package nila is good for 4 since dalawa lang naman kami ni Mama is ayun nga. Ayan mga kaniks, so definitely hashtag Kaniks recommends 5 out of 5. Please join us here at Amare La Cocina.